Live in the human paradise. Breathe the pure air of heaven. Longevity, vitality, and a lifetime of bliss.
住在人间小天堂，呼吸天堂纯气，延寿长生，幸福一生。
Master's Insight Number 252. The Non-Mutation Human Evolution Theory, My Vision. Fuqi Wu, Master. Vickor AC co-author. November 10, 2025. Keycap 1 Human evolution is still ongoing. And environment is the driver. Modern genetics and anthropology confirm. While human DNA remains largely stable, the phenotype, how genes are expressed, continues to evolve. Genes are the program. Environment decides how it runs. Examples include better nutrition, taller skeletal growth, cleaner air and stable oxygen, smoother skin and faster metabolism, reduced toxin exposure, longer repair cycles, slower aging. Human evolution has not stopped. It has shifted from mutation to environmental reprogramming. Keycap 2 Historical evidence. 5 observable examples. Era and region. Environmental change, human change, factors. Post-industrial Britain. From malnutrition to protein abundance. Average height plus 7 to 10 centimeters per century. Protein intake and medical care. Post-war Japan. Westernized diet, better hygiene. Height plus 13 centimeters in 70 years. Balanced body protein and calcium. Post-World War II United States. Higher living standard. Taller, stronger, better teeth alignment. Nutrition and dentistry. Post-war Taiwan. Stable food, public health. Life expectancy plus 30 years. Hygiene and nutrition. Rising China. Urbanization, diet upgrade. Youth, taller, clearer skin. Better diet, less pollution. Physical improvement is not aesthetic, but biological adaptation to environmental quality. Keycap 3 Scientific mechanism. Evolution is faster than we thought. Epigenetics shows that 3 stable generations, 60 to 90 years of clean air, safe food and steady medicine, can reshape a population physiology. Better life, better looks, taller bodies. No myth but measurable biology. Keycap 4 Environmental engineering. The next evolutionary force. If air and toxins are fully purified through the air-free system, cell oxidation rate drops. Repair cycles lengthen, growth potential releases. Predicted results include children plus 3 to 5 centimeters height. Youth gain higher skin moisture and less melanin formation. Adults aging 10 to 20 years later. This marks the beginning of engineering-driven human evolution. Keycap 5 Air purity and intelligence. Even tiny pollution harms the brain. PM 2.5 and 0.1 cross the blood-brain barrier, causing microinflammation. VOC formaldehyde and metal aerosols disturb neuronal signals. Long exposure lowers IQ by 5 to 10 points average. The first organ poisoned by air is the brain itself. Clean air, children show sharper focus, better memory, clearer thinking. Pure air equals higher intelligence. Keycap 6 Appearance reflects environment. Cleaner air means lower oxidative stress. Skin transparency improves. Hormones stabilize balanced growth. Fetal toxicity drops. Faces become more symmetrical. Beauty is no longer cosmetic. It is cellular precision under low toxin conditions. Keycap 7 Century Scale Projection. Assuming 8 free living. Variable generation 1 2 3. IQ gain plus 3 to 5. 6 to 8 10 to 12. Height plus 2 to 3 centimeters. 4 to 5 6 to 7. Facial symmetry plus 5. 12 and 20%. Lifespan extends 5 to 8 years. 10 to 15 20 to 25. Chronic illness drops 10, 25 to 40%. When environment is clean. Genetic energy flows to growth, repair and intellect. Keycap 8 less pain, more productivity. Modern humans spend 30 to 40% of life in sub-health condition. Disease costs 15 to 20% of world GDP. Fatigue and inflammation consume creativity. When pain is gone, potential rises exponentially. Healthy humans do not grow lazy. They focus on higher creation. Productivity becomes brain power and clarity, not muscle or exhaustion. Keycap 9 longevity, wisdom and continuity. Short-lived civilizations transfer knowledge by documents. Long-lived ones transfer by memory. At 150 years, one mind can witness 3 industrial revolutions and 1 civilizational shift. A living memory core emerges, reducing errors, sharpening foresight. Short-lived species survive by instinct. Long-lived survive by understanding. 10 Keycap 10 societal transformation model. Metric, modern humans, long-lived humans. Work efficiency 60 to 70%. Rises to 95%. Creative period 20 years. Extends to 80 years. Knowledge transfer 30 years per generation. Extends to 100 years per generation. Innovation cycle 15 years. Shortens to 5 to 7 years. Global productivity increases 40 to 60%. Humanity moves from survival civilization to creative civilization. 11 The 200-year threshold for space civilization. Current lifespan 70 to 80 years. Cannot support deep space civilization. Voyages too long, aging accelerated by radiation. Knowledge lost each generation. When lifespan reaches 200 years. Full biological psychological adaptation possible. 1 generation completes a century-long mission. Enhanced DNA repair resists cosmic radiation. Metric comparison, modern humans, 200-year humans. Exploration range Earth-Moon, solar outer rim. Work cycle 40 years, 120 years. Cognitive continuity broken, unified. Repair rate 100%, 300%. Mission survival below 10%, above 85%. Longevity becomes the real rocket engine of civilization. 12 Philosophical summary. Slow aging is not to escape death, but to let humanity walk a full path through the universe. When cells remain stable for a century, space travel shifts from exploration to migration. 13 Final insight. To reach the stars, humanity must first complete a biological revolution. Not a rocket revolution, but a living transformation. Foundation built on air purification, slow aging and non-mutation evolution. When humans can live 200 years, the universe will finally open its door. Air 8 Free Maze Purifier. The world's first single-pass purifier, combining ionization, electrostatics, and airflow maze. The machine replaces humans to absorb and destroy every toxin. Air enters the ion zone. Viruses and dust gain negative charge. They pass electrostatic filters, then enter the toxbox maze. Aerosols dry on electrode walls, breaking down into CO2 and water. Inside the maze, air twists and strikes over 60 times. Each turn ends a toxin's life. Billions of particles in 0.1 second are fully purified. It releases Earth's purest air, the superheaven air quality. 8 Free, dust-free, germ-free, toxin-free. Smoke-free, odor-free, heavy metal-free. Microplastic-free, aerosol-free. Not just an air machine. The only key to lifespan freedom. U.S. Patent No. 8268058B2.